How to emphasize comparisons in charts? We have a couple of options, at least 3 of them: column charts, bar charts, and slope charts. Column charts are the most popular option. They are easy to create and easy to understand. Everyone is familiar with them, making them the safest option of all charts. Bar charts are similar to column charts, but the bars are horizontal instead of vertical. Is this a good way to present these numbers? No, this is a bad choice. Why? Because categories with dates shouldn't be presented from bottom to top or top to bottom. Dates should be presented from left to right, and this makes column charts a much better option in this case. When to use bar charts? Bar charts are useful for displaying numbers with long categories. This way, the long statements are in one line next to each bar. If we presented it as a column chart, we might have inconsistencies. One category could be on 2 lines, another on 3 lines, etc. This case should be absolutely avoided, as it requires the audience to tilt their heads, which is too much effort. Don't make your audience tilt their heads. Column charts work best with very short category names, especially with dates, whereas bar charts are most useful for long descriptive categories. These are simple one-category comparisons. But what if we have a bit more complicated data with 2 different categories? Just like here. Of course, we can show data as a column chart or as a bar chart. But I would like to show you an even better way for such cases. It's called a slope chart. It looks like this. We have a very clear vision of the story here, comparing each category this year and the previous year. It's clear and obvious where we have a decline in costs, an increase, and where it remained the same. It's much cleaner than the most popular option, column charts and bar charts, right? So how can we create such a slope chart? I will create it based on this data and this chart. Here's my explanation. If you go to Excel or PowerPoint and try to insert a slope chart, you won't find such a category. You have a bar charts, you have column charts, you have pie charts, etc. But no slope charts. All because a slope chart is actually a very specific line chart with only 2 categories and strong markers. I'll explain this step by step. So first, change the type of this chart to a line chart. Doing this gives us a line chart. This is not the final effect we want to achieve, but a good starting point. Next, edit the data. In the Excel table, we need to make some changes. Copy the table, paste it, and after pasting, expand the option in the bottom right corner and choose Transpose. Transpose is an option to swap rows with columns in Excel. Now paste it in the top left corner of the spreadsheet, adjust the blue borders of the selected area for the chart. This is close to the final effect, but something is off about the dates. Let's format the axis and click Categories in reverse order. Now adjust the colors. Add data labels. And format them. All the data labels on the left should be positioned to the left of the line. Go to Formatting option and choose this option, making sure to select only one of the categories. Click on it twice. If numbers intersect, manually reposition them so everything is visible. Make the chart narrower so the trend will be more visible. Then create the markers. So go to the Format option in the Fill and Line section, and here we have marker options. Choose a built-in marker, 12 points, type circle, and solid white fill. Now paste the labels next to the lines. This is called direct labeling instead of using legends. Legends are inefficient and don't help the audience understand the chart quickly. So my advice, avoid legends. Instead, use direct labeling. So copy the labels from the Excel file and format them with proper colors. This is how it looks after all these adjustments. Of course, it would look much better with fewer categories, with only 3 or even 2 options, and much better if the lines were more symmetrical. But still, it looks very good. So when you create charts next time and you want to emphasize differences between 2 options displayed across a couple of categories, go for the slope chart. It will show data much more clearly. Thanks for watching, and I hope you like it. So thumbs up, subscribe, and see you next time.